Want to make new fictic edits like monitor transition, but you just switch from CapCut to Alight Motion? No problem, I got you covered with full explanation, and you will get the tutorial as soon as new trend arrives, so you know what you have to do. Just subscribe to channel so that you can watch the tutorials and make edits faster than others.
Hey guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can make new fictic edits like PC transition in Alight Motion. It's very simple. I will break it down to you so that you can understand it correctly and make your own transition like this. So now let's begin. First import the materials I have provided in the comment section and import your PFP and the video clips. I have used a PNG as a video clip. You can use a video too. Just follow the same steps, you will get it in the end. Now first place your PFP. Add chroma key effect to the layer so that we can remove the green screen like this. Increase the threshold and feather so that the green area goes completely. Okay, here we go. Place the PFP under the image I gave you. Place the PFP, reduce the scale, etc. Match it like this. Let's go. Now do with your clip too. Scale it a bit. Okay, it's done. Now comes the hand animation part. Add the hands PNG I have provided in the comment section. Take a rectangle layer. Adjust its size and position like this so that we can cover the whole black screen like this. Here we go. Now match the color. You can add a text also. Change the font like you want. Increase the scale. If you want, you can add deep glow also. Play around with its settings. Now group the hand PNG and the text. Now comes the animation part. Add a null layer. Connect all the layers to the null except the group we just made. Now add a keyframe here. Drag the first keyframe to the last and add a keyframe to the position also. Increase the scale like this and the position too. Copy this graph, paste it here also. For a better look, add motion blur effects, copy this and paste it to all the layers like this. We can improve the graph also. Make sure you keep the graphs same in both scale and position. Okay. Now place a keyframe here around here full at last. To do this to scale also, reduce the scale around this much and position to add a little different graph like this. Now add motion blur effect to this also so that we get that realistic motion blur. Now add another null object. Connect the group to null 2 and follow my animation like this. Okay. Do this to scale too. Okay. Now copy the graphs and paste them. Invert the graphs a little bit. Little around like this. We are done with the hand animation part. Drag the keyframes till this so the movement does not stop. Add another null object. Connect this null to the null we just imported. Add positions and scale keyframes. Increase the scale and position like this. Base. Adjust the graphs like this. Copy and paste it here. Feel free to play around the graphs so that you get your matching animation. For the shakes and zooms, I have already uploaded a zooms pack and the shakes tutorial. I will link them in the description, you can check out. So that's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to comment the next tutorial ideas. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.